Hello and welcome to Maximity's next 2 Minute Tuesday. My name is Bronya and this week let's get rid of those default colours. In Excel, when you create a table or chart, you'll be able to apply colour styles. However, the colours you're able to choose from are lacking. The default Office colour scheme includes colours that are not far off from Excel green, PowerPoint orange, Word blue and so on. If you've never changed the colour scheme, these colours can get quite boring. Not only that, your company may have specific colour or colours that it would like you to use for your tables and charts. To set a colour scheme, you'll need to go to the Page Layout ribbon. In the Themes section, you'll find Themes, Colours and Fonts. Themes are pre-made settings that include a change of colour scheme and font. You can hover over each of these options for a preview. To create your own theme, select Colours and choose a palette that you like. If you need to use specific colours set by your company, select Customise Colours and go through each option to create your palette. To add a new colour, select More Colours. Choose a colour by clicking a section of the Colours box and you can adjust the brightness here. If you have the RGB numbers, HSL numbers or the hex code of your colour, you can input them here. When you click OK, your colour will be added to Recent Colours. Don't forget to name your colour palette and click Save. Then let's have a quick look at fonts and select those too. Your company may use specific fonts for their branding. If these are available, you can select these to change the font used throughout the entire workbook, including the header letters and row numbers. With these selected, go back to the Themes option and at the very bottom select Save Current Theme. Give this a name and save it to your device. Now that's saved, you can go back into Themes and your new theme will have been created and listed at the top. If you right click on your theme, you can actually add it to your quick access toolbar. So now when you go into any other spreadsheets, you can just click on the option at the top to change to your new theme. That's it for this week's 2 Minute Tuesday. Thank you for watching.